So in the other end, we were just offloading our coffee and beginning the process of cleaning it for dryer. So where we are now standing is the heat exchanger itself, and its capacity is 10 tons. So we are looking at 20 tons from a farm. We are now driving 10 tons into the heat exchanger, and once it is full, we pick the remaining 10 tons into this storage. This storage takes 50 tons and continue drying the 10 here. When this 10 gets into here, we set on the burner. The burner will produce heat, of which heat will be inhaled inside the heat exchanger. And then we begin to drive that coffee that has dried inside the plant for another very serious process.